Hey YouTube, it's AdamX20 and I'm getting ready to push an update to my software. I'm working on the heading and facing of miniatures, and the way it's set up, I guess I don't know how I feel about it. I kind of like it because it's open. Here, I'll show you in a second. I kind of like it because it's open and users can edit it, but I kind of don't like it because, well, it's not how I wanted to originally do it. So let me show you real quick here. Look on the hehe right there. So I'll set the facing to east, and then that changes, and then there's the red bar up here, which is the heading. And what that means is even though the character's facing this way, it's moving that way. And basically what it is all of these images, and they're just blocks. And I kind of like that because they're just PNG images, and if people don't like how I set them up, they can always edit them and make them how they want to. You know, it offers a lot, and that people can make them as beautiful as they want to, instead of them just being lines that the software mandates. But I really didn't want to do it that way. And then the images will scale according to the size of the miniature they're on. And then they act as an overlay, and it works out pretty nice. So that's what I have right now. I guess that's a pretty important role. It doesn't get passed through the network yet, but still, I'm working on the map, getting all the finishing touches down, at least so it's playable and has enough features so that people who are playing it during beta are content with it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I also did some updates to my meta server, and it's been looking a lot more stable. I had an issue where rooms weren't being groomed correctly, so I'd go to my SQL database and then I'd have this long list of rooms that don't ever exist. And I think that was causing problems because there was times where the entire room list would just disappear even though the servers were still there. So I'm multitasking, talking to you and checking my email, and I think I fixed it. So I got my meta server here, which has been, gosh, I don't know if you can see that. I don't think you can see any of that. It's been looking like this practically all day. What I did is I purged the SQL database of all of the rooms since the servers were still on, and since then it's been I updated the PHP script, and since then it's been pretty stable. So I'm gonna monitor it and make sure that works out great, because I want to release that with the beta, because there's other meta servers out there, and I think but my main goal with the meta server is to turn it into like this node-based network where each meta server acts as a node. So the OpenRPG community can then become this expansive community that just, you know, can span the entirety of the internet, and people can just put up meta servers that others can connect to. Then to trim the data, what I'd have each meta server do is then communicate to other meta servers. So one meta server can be up and it would communicate to other meta servers about its contents, or it would request its content, request other meta servers for their content, and then users can just talk to one meta server and have this like infinite list. And to trim the data, what I do is then, instead of capturing everything that's on the meta server like it does right now, is I just capture I'd get the server list, which would be really small. It would just be an XML entry for each server, which wouldn't take very long at all. And then I would every time a person clicks on the room, then I'd get the XML data for just that one server, which is, you know, would just be a more specific SQL query. But Well, that may be my ultimate goal. I don't think that's going to happen anytime in the near future. I'm working on other stuff. After I go beta, I'll be working on more web page stuff. I got to do some more web page stuff, and I got notes here about stuff I'm going to be doing with web page stuff, and I need to get that done. But I can't talk about that right now. I will definitely release that information in the future. Just not right now. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna push this update either before or after this video. Probably before, because videos take hella long for me to get up there. And then I will go back to work and do other stuff. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do yet. Probably maybe do some networking stuff. Look over the map UI some more and see if I can get that unified. But until tomorrow, see ya.